Yep, welcome to Mora FC. This is an easy way of sewing a mermaid skirt. It's an easy way of cutting a mermaid skirt. See how beautiful it look like. When you're working with the fabric like this, you're supposed to look at how the fabric look like, how the lines, how the design look like, and you know how to arrange it. That is very important. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. So we're gonna fold the fabric into two. When you're working with your skirt, the waistband is very important. You have to consider the waistband. It's very important. It's included with the measurement that you took. So some people will be working and they forget about the waistband. So it's important to put a waistband to add it with the measurement, so you deduct the waistband measurement from the actual measurement. So I'm gonna put a waistband on it, or you can put a waist. If you don't want to put a waistband on this skirt, just have to measure your hips. That is 9 inches. Some people will get 8.5 or maybe 8 at least. So from my waist, I'll go to my knee level. Working with your knee level, when you measure your knee level from your waist to your knee level, you have to deduct 1 inch from it, because the measurement is supposed to be above your knee. Because when you fall on your knee, exactly on your knee, it becomes hard for you to walk around, it becomes hard for you to move around. So your measurement is supposed to be above your knee. So when you measure your knee, you have to come up by 1 inch. You have to deduct 1 inch from your side. So let's work on the waist. When you measure your waist, you have to divide your waist into 4. Measure your waist, you divide your waist into 4. Then you add your sewing allowance to it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. Mora FC is where greatness happens. Ask your question in the comment below. Comment, like, tell a friend to tell a friend. So I'm coming to on the hip side. That's it. And this is the knee side. So you're gonna divide your hips into 4. Then you're gonna add your sewing allowance to it. Can be 1 or 1.5 or 2 inches. Then I come to my knee level. That's the knee level. I'm just using the same hips, so I'm just marking it out so that you see everything clear. So you can see that my hips and the knee side have the same measurement, but I'm going to deduct 1 inch inward for the curved side. But if you want it to be so curvy, you can measure 1.5. So you just have to draw a line. Make sure you get your curve rule. Then you do it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So I'm gonna use the hips, working on the below side. So the hips, I'm gonna multiply the hips by 2. You can multiply by 2.5. It depends how flare you want the bottom to be. So that I'm using the hips, I'll multiply it by 2. Whatever I get, that's what I'm gonna use. I think I got exactly what I needed. So you gotta use your straight rule to mark a straight line. This is the front one that we are working with it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Leave your comments. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Mora FC. So we are done with the front part of it, so we just have to cut it out. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment below. If you have any suggestion, you can leave it on the comment below. If you have anything that you want me to do a tutorial on it, you can still leave it in the comment below. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Share my work. You'll be helping other people who want to learn how to sew, who want to learn how to cut some fabric. So we have done with the front one. We're gonna deal with the back one. And again, I'm going to fold the fabric into 2. So to cut everything very fast and simple, you just have to put the front on the back, and you just have to leave 1.5 or 2 inches for the zipper allowances, which means the back will be bigger than the front, but the length is supposed to be the same. So I'm just putting the front on the back just like that, and I'm gonna leave 1.5 for the zipper allowances. Like I said, when I'm working with the fabric like this, you're supposed to check your fabric very well. The design is supposed to match each other perfectly. So I'm marking, I just leave 1.5. You can see I'm checking my 1.5 to make sure I get the accurate 1.5. So after that, I just have to cut it out. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. Mora FC is where greatness happens. So I'm just cutting it out. Like I said, if you have any suggestion, if you have any question, if you have any design that you want me to do a tutorial on, you can leave on your in the comment below, and don't forget to share. When you share, you are helping other people. So you can see how perfect, how beautiful it has turned out to be. So simple. So you just have to cut your waistband and just add it to it. I'm just making a notch for the zip side. So that's your mermaid skirt. Like I said, the waistband is very important. It's gonna depend how big, how small you want your waistband to be. So you have to very consider your waistband when you're working with skirts or trouser or shirt. You gotta be careful with your waistband that you're gonna use. Some people make it big, some people make it small. You know what you're doing, so you have to consider the measurement of your waistband. So I'm gonna leave like 8 inches for the zipper side. 8 inches, that's where I'm gonna put my zip there. So we're done. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It's Mora FC. Hey, I'm out.